Student, we have already finished the chapter number 3, photosynthesis and respiration in plants. Today we will do the exercise and question answer of this chapter. So first part is fill in the blanks. The end product of photosynthesis are glucose and oxygen. The end product are glucose and oxygen. A chloroplast contains of two parts, that is grana and the stoma. Third one, grana are piles of flattened sac-like bodies are called thylakoids. Fourth one, plant exchange gases through opening on the leaves called the stomata. Fifth, two bean-shaped guard cells surrounded a stroma. So fifth one is the guard cells. Sixth, carbon dioxide trap heat resulting in the greenhouse effect. Sixth one is the greenhouse effect, and more greenhouse effect give rise to the global warming. Seventh, lenticels are the pore on stems, tubers and fruits through which gases are exchanged. So answer is lenticels. We have already studied as stomata. Stomata is present on the layer of the leaves, but lenticels can be present on the pores of stem, tubers and the fruits also. Eighth one, in plants, carbon dioxide is liberated during night or during the process of the respiration. You can write either night or the respiration. Next, ninth one, aerobic respiration produces water, carbon dioxide and energy. So you have to write the water. But in anaerobic respiration, instead of water, alcohol is formed. 10th one, respiration that does not require oxygen is called the anaerobic respiration. So student, you have to note down in your book. First one is glucose oxygen. Second one is grana and stroma. Third one is thylakoid. Fourth one is stomata. Fifth one is the guard cell. Sixth is greenhouse effect. Seventh, lenticel. Eighth, you can write either night or respiration. Ninth one is water, and 10th is anaerobic respiration. Next, come to choose the correct option. So first one is chlorophyll is essential to trap solar energy. Stomata are mostly present in the leaf. If they have asked about the lenticels, so they can present in stem, root, fruit. Third one, stomatal openings are surrounded by the bean-shaped cells known as the guard cells. Fourth, photosynthesis is affected by all of these. All of these means light, chlorophyll, carbon dioxide. Fifth, aerobic respiration occur within the cytoplasm and mitochondria, because the aerobic respiration start from the cytoplasm but it ends in the mitochondria. Sixth, alcohol is produced in plants during anaerobic respiration. You keep in mind that in anaerobic respiration only alcohol is formed. Chloroplasts are usually used for photosynthesis. Lenticels are found on fruits, stems, tubers. So all of these. Student, one more thing I want to clarify in this chapter. Don't confuse with stroma and stoma. Stoma means single stomatal pore, but stroma is the part of the plastid or the chloroplast. So in exam, don't confuse what is stroma. Stroma means you have to, this is a gel-like substance present inside the chloroplast, but stoma is singular for the stomata. Next, C part, match the following. So first one is chloroplast. Chloroplast is the site of photosynthesis. Second, mitochondria. Mitochondria is site of respiration because respiration ended in the mitochondria. Third, stomata. So stomata are the opening in the leaves. Fourth one is the starch. Starch turn blue-black when iodine solution is added. So we can check presence of starch through the iodine. Fifth, guard cells open and close the stomata. Then anaerobic respiration occurring without oxygen. Grana is piles of thylakoids. Piles of thylakoids consist of chlorophyll. 8, greenhouse effect, that is heat trapped by carbon dioxide.